Hello guys, welcome back. Things are getting worse and worse. Okay, and we don't know when those things are going to stop, because we just had Tesla yesterday falling 7%, Bitcoin breaching the 80,000 strong support that we were talking about, aiming now to 73 and then afterwards 70. Trump being, I don't know what to say about that, but Trump being a little bit sketchy about the inflation numbers that are coming up as well. So a lot of things took over. So just a few reminders here before we go any further. First thing is that subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And the second thing is tonight from 5 to 6 p.m, not tonight, this afternoon, we're gonna have the webinar, okay? As usual on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday this week. Now, let's get to the topic. So yesterday, or I don't know when it was on US, most likely Saturday on US, Friday to Saturday in US, Trump had a comment that made me a little bit, what's going on here? So one of the reporters asked him, what do you think about inflation? Do you think we're gonna have a recession? And he literally say, well, I'm not gonna promise you we won't or we will, because I don't have a crystal ball. That makes me think something is wrong, because Trump always say what the public wants to hear, right? And he most likely would be saying, if we wouldn't have an a recession, he would most likely say, look, we won't have a recession, okay? It's just temporary. And he adds saying that don't care about the short sort of volatility, don't care about the noise at the moment, because we do have more things coming. It is a big change on the government. It is a big things happening, big changes happening on the moment. So there, of course, will be a lot of volatility. Of course, will be a lot of things happening. So focus on the long run, focus on the long term, because you will be rewarded. That's from Trump. That's not from me, okay? But I definitely agree with him, because we do have a lot of things happening on the short term that most likely on the long term, when we look back, it's going to be just a small, tiny part of the whole picture. Now, euro dollar is still going up. We had a bit of a pullback, but most likely a continuation to 1.10 is where I see euro dollar trading. We've made a video, me and Nathan made a video yesterday on the the whole chaotic scenario, a bit of a sort of a podcast and not only a normal video. You can check it out on the YouTube. Just go into the channel now and click on the last video that we've had. You're gonna see me and Nathan's face on there. It's very, very good. I highly recommend you to watch and give us a thumbs up on that one as well, because we talk about a lot of things, Russia, Ukraine, US, Mexico, Canada, etc. Anyways, coming back, so euro dollar is going up, continuation to go up. Maybe 1.10 is the end of the trend. We had a change of Canada Prime Minister, so a little bit more to the left side now. Canadian dollar lost a little bit of value, so most likely US dollar CAD would be a good continuation to long it, okay? We see US dollar CAD trading at 144, pretty much 144.300 now, from the opening of the week of 143.600. So that's already a big move. Pretty much 100 pips move, well, exactly 100 pips move. So, Canadian dollar is losing its strength, and most likely will continue to lose its strength from the week ahead. So US dollar CAD long, New Zealand dollar CAD long, it's always a good opportunity to be trading. Next topic is, of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been breaking the support at 80,000, okay? Broke the support at 80,000, went down to 77,000 if I'm not wrong, and now back again above 80,000. So lots of things happening at the moment actually on Bitcoin, but I just want to remain calm and say to everyone, the longer term, the longer picture on Bitcoin is still long, okay? The whole fundamentals of we have a reserve now. Yes, it's not the whole thing that we wanted to, the market wanted to, but still the reserve. We have the president talking about Bitcoin. We have a lot of acceptance from the new public into Bitcoin. So a lot of big funds getting liquidated, so most likely will be much cheaper liquidity to be buying on those bottoms. So continuation above 110, 105, 106,000 maybe will happen, not tomorrow, not next week, maybe in the next 6 to 8 months. Who knows? I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you. But let's see how things will go soon as we have those comments coming out on this week and the data coming out this week. All right, I see you tonight. I see you this afternoon actually from 5 to 6 p.m. in Australia time, and hopefully you can come and ask your questions personally with me. Thank you so much. Thumbs up, subscribe, share this content with your friends, and I see you in the next video. See you guys. Bye bye.